Kaizer Chiefs is the most useless team in the Betway Premiership. Ayikho team useless njenge Chiefs ku Betway Premiership. So bahambile bahlanganisa ama player bahlanganisa yonke into bayokhahlela amajida we Pirates bese bazodliwa iswelele. Imagine losing 2-0 to Swelele FC and then you want to claim the status of being a big team in South African football. Ayikho indaba ye Chiefs. We even said le game le bayidlalile against the Orlando Pirates. Bekumele bathenge lo referee cold drink. That's the only way badlala draw ne Orlando Pirates because ozuna police bekakorile besides lo mjida lo korile uKamhelo Sibelebele Pirates beyiwinile 2-1 le game leya. Akuna Chiefs ebuyile. The situation at Kaizer Chiefs hasn't changed. Uyazikhohlisa wena mangitshela ukuthi situation saku Chiefs ichangile ayikho into echangile. The only thing that has changed is that baku number 3 this season, but number 3 is not an achievement for them because when was the last time the Chiefs contended for a league? 2020. Count how many seasons after that. The Chiefs are contender for a league. The Chiefs nalesikhathi ba win Nedbank Cup ubonile ukuthi ba win kanjani. Ayikho indaba ye Chiefs. The only thing that needs to happen ku Kaizer Chiefs khona manje is that lama coach ayi2 mele bahambe get an actual coach like Pitso Mosimane, a coach that's qualified, a coach owazi indaba zakhe, coach owaziyo kunjani ucompete for a league, coach owaziyo kunjani ukwina ama trophy, owaziyo kunjani ukudlala eAfrica, owaziyo kunjani ucompete against ama team aseAfrica. Labantu laba bayithula uyabona nje ukuthi ayikho into abayaziyo. And then bahambise certain players. They need to release uKhanyisa Mayo akakori since afikile ku Chiefs ukora amagoli ayi2. They need to release uFlavio da Silva ukora kuphela nabadlala neMagesi FC or Orbit College. When it's important and it's big games, he doesn't show up. They also need to release Mdu Shabalala. Mdu Shabalala is not effective enough for the Chiefs. Aga create next for the Chiefs. Aga ba pama chance and ayikho into ayenzela team. And they also need to release Mfundo Vilakazi. If they were able to loan out to Samkelo Zwane, who's not getting game time by the way, lapha Guswelele FC, and it's a bit concerning because Nomfana Lona might find himself playing in the second division or he might find himself playing for a small team. If akavula mehlo, Samkelo Zwane needs to pull up his socks. If you can't perform well at Kaizer Chiefs, then angeke uperform kahle kwamanye team because the Chiefs iyafana nabo Swelele FC nabo Magesi FC. If you can't perform at Chiefs, you won't perform ku Magesi. So now Samkelo Zwane, they need to release him. Like it's a waste of money keeping him at this point. And then Mfundo Vilakazi needs to be released. The reason I'm saying Mfundo Vilakazi needs to be released is because Agasi materially Chiefs. He's not living up to the standard of playing for a team as big as the Kaizer Chiefs. So Mfundo Vilakazi na imele bam release. He looks like the kind of player ongashayina lapana kubo Skukune, kubo Marumo Gallants, like what the Pirates did non Dabia Tetran Ndlondlo. They released him afika lapana Marumo Gallants and he's having the time of his life. He's the main player there. He's a key player. So the same should happen. And when we do these videos and say these things, as Kulumile because it's Zondi Chiefs, I have no reason to hate the Chiefs for what? Like ngavele ngivuke ngithi ngizondi team. No, angizondi Chiefs. The reason I'm always criticizing and saying these things in the Chiefs is because we want the best for our league. We want the best for Kaizer Chiefs. Mara masapota we Chiefs because nina ni personally nithatha izinto ngenhliziyo nifuna ukusithuka nifuna ukulwa nifuna ini nani izinto mazingahambi kahle ku Chiefs azihambi kahle. There was a time like Pirates I think had like a 10-year drought bafika kuma final wama-card badle lapha kusadlala bo Bennett Chenene nabo Teko Modise le team lana beyiwina Telkom Charity Cup kuphela. Benga wina ama trophy abalekile le team leya. Yabona nabathi Telkom Charity Cup beyithatha Pirates utekwa akushayelinga free kick akushayelinga penalty then Pirates aywina. But when it came to actual competitions ama top 8 abo knockout league Pirates was struggling. Chiefs supporters were having Pirates. Ama Chiefs supporters yibo bebahlezi bathi hayi Pirates bafit mele improve ama player Pirates mele aphakamisa amasokisi. Now that icoin flip over le nto le yenzeka phezulu kwe Chiefs sekumele sithule. And ngiyawuza abantu abaningi nama legend Mabuya must go to the World Cup bese Shiaban. Umabuya maka World Cup Shiaban. Shoot talent but shoot home queen. Oh yanimini kancane Mabuya is doing well. Yes, he's playing in a team engekho well structured and uyo shinayo. Siyambongela. He's doing exceptional mara sayipusha mase sithi kumele World Cup. Sesayipusha manje. Asimeni kancane. Imamelodi Sundowns idlalile neRichards Bay after game ye Chiefs ne Pirates after Chiefs ishaya karati kuma player Pirates Mamelodi Sundowns played Richards Bay the game ended goalless kube not abafethe Richards Bay khona into abayaziyo Richards Bay khona into abayaziyo badle iChiefs badraw ne Pirates badraw ne Mamelodi Sundowns. When Pirates drew against them nina masapota Chiefs yini benigcwele nikhuluma the way no ayikho indaba Pirates draw ne Richards Bay nazo ki Sundowns nazo bakhalele badraw nayo. And then last night Mamelodi Sundowns idlalile against iPolokwane City, they won that one. I don't know mapakapaka lento ngizoyisho manje ibhlungu. Lento engizoyisho manje ibhlungu. I don't think we're going to win this league. Number one, we drew against the useless team Kaizer Chiefs. We drew against Richards Bay. We drew against the Swelele FC. Lama game lawa we 3. You are game Pirates pick me win. If Pirates had won all 3 of these games, if Pirates could be shy Mamelodi Sundowns nge gap yabo 6 or 7 points kona manje. Kube manje gap between the two is big, and then siyazi ukuthi the remaining games we can still afford a draw none. But what's said is that with the remaining 5-6 games, are we guaranteed ukuthi Orlando Pirates is win wonke lama game asel? With Owadu making these tactical failures as yenza ku Pirates, with Abdeslam Owadu not playing the right players in the right positions. Phela Kamhelo Sibelebele is not a right back, but Coach Owadu is playing him as a right back. Uyabona nje ukuthi khona nje into official. So until yes, Orlando Pirates did lose to Sekhukhune. You didn't have to remind me. Asikhuluma ngale, angithi sikhuluma ngala the past 3 games. You didn't have to remind me. Like angazi ukuthi Pirates idliwe Sekhukhune ukuthi ingena play onto le. Idliwe Sekhukhune Pirates, but they still above the Chiefs ngama points. So I don't angazi ukuthi uzama ukuthini. Anyways, yona ilokhu njani with Coach Owadu, I have a problem. My biggest issue with Coach Owadu is that should Orlando Pirates fail to win the league, I-blame enkulu mina ngizoyibeka ku-Coach Abdeslam Owadu. Number one, favoritism. He's a coach on a favoritism eningi. Kunama player awadlalayo ahead of certain players who are actually good and who play that position rightfully. If ufuna ukuwina ama game and you want a solid back four, faka uDino van Rooyen. Play him as your right back. Play Libona Siema. You can play in Nkosinathi BC is the captain, and then Dion Hotu na right. And Dion Hotu try level move up and down left flank layer. But this thing of Kamhelo Sibelebele being right back here Orlando Pirates, ayenzi sense. Like it honestly doesn't make sense. Itempo ya Orlando Pirates phezulu manje. It's attack. The more we attack, then a mover bese kuba nombobo siyalimala, because uKamhelo Sibelebele pushes up, and then by the time he has to push back, sekumela gijime ngepace yakhe yonke. So you can imagine him running up and down like that. Izomshaya. Uyakhathala lo muntu lona, because the moment he pushes up, uOzona Police drifts in, and then it's as if Mfukeng no Police become a double number 10. Then Usibelebele has to work extra hard running up and down lapha na ku right. So play uDino van Rooyen so that he can cover for Usibelebele, so that azokwazi ukuthi amake bafethu. There was a time uDino van Rooyen mos besimcompare no Khuliso Mudau. Kunala uDino van Rooyen sonke besize sisho sithi no man, uDino van Rooyen is the best right back after Khuliso Mudau. Why is Coach Abdeslam Owadu not playing this guy at this stage of the season? Usa experimenta namanje Owadu nakho against the Kaizer Chiefs. Owadu keeper uMakhetleni Makaula ufaka uMasindi Nemtatshela. uMasindi Nemtatshela material Pirates. Masindi Nemtatshela shouldn't be playing for Orlando Pirates. There are certain players that need to shine in small teams. Leave them in those small teams. Leave them in those small teams. I'll make an example. Moroka Swallows was a big team in South African football, but when we count actual big teams, Chiefs, Pirates, there's a guy called Lifa Tsurupa. I'm a 2K, I'm sure there's a player called Ulifa Tsurupa. Ulifa Tsurupa was the captain here Moroka Swallows. He played and retired with Moroka Swallows. Very good and solid midfield. Marazangi Chiefs ne Pirates batai something etisim tata zodalala. He was playing well with structure Swallows. Bega fita is structure Swallows. So he stayed with Swallows and he shined with Swallows and he flourished with Swallows. Marais Katin Samanje, Masindi Nemtatshela is playing well Gumarumo Kellens. Leave him Gumarumo Kellens. Mtetela shine Gumarumo Kellens. The moment Mtatum letter like this badge is heavy. Ungenile against the Chiefs Mbonile Wenzen. Instead, he was one of the few guys that was coste lela goal. And it's favoritism. There's no way Ningchela kutukabelo Dlamini angasha team selection kungene uMasindi Nemtatshela. There's no way Tsukufatso Mabasa can be loaned out maqeda lapho Ningchela kuthi uyanela Mbuthuma uzohleza tholi selection ahead of yena uMabasa. Ayikho lento le nabafethu. Ayikho lento le. Coach Abdeslam Owadu is making unnecessary changes kwi lineup Pirates. Amanye ama change are unnecessary. Nangoke second half ufaka undaba and you ask yourself, coach wenzani? So if he continues to make lama mistake nyana lawa mancane lawa ngasile lawa, then he will cost the Pirates league. Also, it cost the Pirates league. And I repeat, Orlando Pirates needs a striker. They need a deadly striker. They need a lethal striker. Because I'll tell you why I say this. Ngeke bafethi team win 6-0. Kuleyo 6-0 leyo bese ngitshela ukuthi akuneli one goal from strike kukorama midfield. Angeke team ngeke ithi team we are trying to come back from behind and then the defender comes and scores the equalizing goal, but we have a striker. You understand? So Yanela Mbutsuma either needs to improve or unfortunately he needs to be loaned out. And the number loan amela go bit college. They should loan him out to a small team. Unfortunately, there are players. Yanela Mbutsuma comes from Richards Bay. There are players right now who play for Richards Bay that are doing a better job than Yanela Mbutsuma. That would do a better job than him. Who Chiefs, Pirates, or Sundowns. There are players about Richards Bay Gumanje that are playing better than him. And Asimzon Yanela Mbutsuma. But now as a player, Melu understand that the moment you sign a contract with your team Nkulu, Sizokateka. Sizokuluma now. Conversations are going to be heard about you. People are going to post on the socials about you. Zining is in the Zokulunya ngawe. So, Mausaineli Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns, be ready for pressure, be ready for hate, be ready for criticism. Player or coach, always be ready. So, Coach Abdeslam Moadu, mele ayege, lento yakhe, leno kuloka pizufunu experiment at this stage of the season. Access Katsok experimentalist. Access Katsok uti wena manje uzolokwenza ma mistake angasile. That game, Orlando Pirates, istalisa Orlando Pirates sokudlala si changeile, siyamshiya uTito. The tempo ye Orlando Pirates khona manje is above uTito. Tito can't match that play ye Orlando Pirates khona manje. Tito he holds on to the ball and he's slow. So you can't tell me khona manje ukuthi wena uTito uzongena adlale number 10 bese uthatha Mfukeng umise side. Why? Umfukeng khona manje ever since he's played number 10 itempi phezulu bafethu ozuna police kuyagijinyo kamhelo sibelebele kuyagijinyo Tsepang Muremi kuyagijinyo Yanela Mbutsuma noma kumele simhlabele inkomo ehlanyayo nawe uyagijima uTito makangena ungena wenzani. And ama game afana namadabi ama game for ama player athanda ishine ama player athanda attention uSipho Mbule if bekangenile kule game leya I'm telling you bekazosisiza control midfield even more. Usipho Mbule bekazodlala bekazosipha indlela Orlando Pirates were going to play, you know. And another question that I have for Coach Abdeslam Owadu, why is Kabelo Dlamini not playing? Because he's not injured. Akekho injured Kabelo Dlamini. If we injured mele baskipeli statement basibonise ukuthi injured. Kabelo Dlamini is not injured, so why is he not playing? Buffett, you have a set piece specialist in Kabelo Dlamini. You have a creative player okwazi ukupass. You have one of the few players that have been in Orlando Pirates for long. We understand the culture ye club. They understand the culture at club good so. And then you look at the bench, especially against the Kaizer Chiefs, who pege benchin, kunabo Cameron Tensin. I have nothing against that boy. Mar Cameron Tensin uzoyenza ni Chiefs. What is he gonna do? If Pirates is behind, Pirates is a goal behind. What is he gonna do? When you're under pressure, Maketlen Makaula gets injured, or Talented Mbata gets injured, you faka Tensin, or fake no Masindi Nemtachel. Masindi Nemtachela must earn his place. Angeka vela fike lana 3 months 2 months maqeda lapho already every game ukhona uyadlala. Hayi Masindi Nemtsajela must earn his place. Masindi Nemtsajela must earn his place. So uKabelo Dlamini bekumele ukuthi adlala. Tyler, ithi ngikutshele something ne Tyler T. There are certain games for certain players. There are certain games for certain players. When Orlando Pirates is coming from behind, yes, you can't play uTito. You can't play Dlamini. But when you want to dominate opposition yako from first whistle to final whistle, you play someone like a Kabelo Dlamini. And this thing, Coach Jose Rivero Mega Hamba. Uhambe ashiye a team in a structure. All Abdeslam Owadu had to do was look at the team. Apega guti. Le team le beile kagupi. Le team le be shota group. Sharp. Tsepang Muremi comes in umhaunko tuka tukamba. It means Orlando Pirates needs another wing. No salenga gaseko. Yeah, Tsepang Muremi I know ya contribute ya kwazu crosser. Orlando Pirates les kati under Jose Rivero bebadala ma high ball. Maybe as a coach yabona good bebanga cross enough. Tsepang Muremi umnandi ngama cross. His direct ya shoot ya kora mfak. Ozuna Police, of course you can't sign Ozuna Police and not play him. Mfak. Nango Mfukeng as your number 10. You look at the middle of the park. There's a reason why Umakehleni Makaula won midfielder of the season last season. Nyaza abanye abantu beba complain about Tebogo Mkwena what lo mfana lo uyamaka lo Makahleni uCash uyamaka uCash and he's solid in that midfield. Cash Nombata iyasebenza. Don't fix it if it is not broken. Mamelodi Sundowns asikhulumeni ke ngeMamelodi Sundowns before sivala. iMamelodi Sundowns iyadlala ne, but I still think this is not the Sundowns we know. This is not the Sundowns we know, and I don't even think it's a case of they're more focused on ICAF. Yeah, they might go on to win the league because only Orlando Pirates seems to be serious ngokba challenge wonke amanye ama team like league iso ne. I Sundowns, I Pirates, then every team I challenge I Pirates, not the Sundowns. wonke ama-team they go all out against Pirates. Kaizer Chiefs isibonisile. They went all out against the Pirates. Bakhahlela abantu yafika iswelele yabashaya 2-0. When these other teams have to play against each other, it doesn't matter. But when they play against the Pirates, they want to go all out. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukukhahlela urile. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukwenzana. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukwenza lokhu nalokhu. So it's Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates are the only team challenging Sundowns. So Sundowns vele they could win this league. Mara when you look at them, actually Sundowns lesiyaziyo. And I'm concerned about them going kule final le KF because ngiyabona abantu abaningi sebacanga ukuthi irepiwe. Mamelodi Sundowns ngabona umhlolo. Mamelodi Sundowns ngabona into engeke izibone. A lot of us didn't think they would lose to Pyramids ku final KF, by the way. FYI. Besinyathi Pyramids. We're like Sundowns uzowina zabakhalela abo Grand Kekana lebasha ama mistake. Na kule team le Mamelodi Sundowns is not going to win the CAF Champions League. Clip le moment le, save it, ne? And then come May, after the second leg of the final, play this clip. Mamelodi Sundowns is not going to win the CAF Champions League. They might win the league, but they are not going to win the CAF Champions League. At the rate, ngalendlela le abadlala ngayo, namagoli abawakorayo. Mamelodi Sundowns esiyaziyo bafethi punish ama team, isha amagoli. When was the last time Mamelodi Sundowns won by 3 goals? Ask yourself. When was the last time Mamelodi Sundowns won by 3 goals? How many goals has Mamelodi Sundowns scored this season? In a normal season, there's no way Orlando Pirates ingashaya Mamelodi Sundowns ngamagoli. Sharp, they're getting the points, but you know what's nice? ICAF manje akusase point system. It's the away and home rule, and it's sharp. Mamelodi Sundowns nabadlale of task maybe asit badlale cholesterol. Nabayale bazokorana. Ubonile against Esperance, they scored 1 goal, which in aggregate ended 2-0. That's not the Mamelodi Sundowns we know. Ukuhamba kwa Ribeiro kuyabonakala ukuthi khona into enkulu ehambile lapha ku Mamelodi Sundowns. And I don't know how true this is. Angithi baningi manje abantu ku YouTube asekwa ama journalist. Ngizwe bathi lama player waba South America abo Leon or nabo bani balimela. I don't know if it's true, but I'm really worried about Mamelodi Sundowns. I'm really worried about Mamelodi Sundowns. And I'm telling you, ama supporter we Sundowns abayiboni lento le sibonayo ne. Miguel Cardoso is going to his third final. Sharp. Ufike kanjani kulama final? Playing against which teams? In all the finals that is reached, which final did he win? Uyakwazi ukufika kuma final, but does he know how to win finals? Experience plays a big role. Angithi nihlezi nikhuluma ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns ine experience ekwini league. Which player in Mamelodi Sundowns now has experience of winning the CAF Champions League? Only Thembazwane. Is his experience enough to help them lift the trophy? Is he getting enough game time? Ukuthi angaba ne influence ukuthi bafethu push asiyeni phambili. Ronwen Williams akaze win the CAF Champions League. Khulisa Mudau has never won the CAF Champions League. Teboho Mokoena has never won the CAF Champions League. So, if City, Mamelodi Sundowns will win Betway Premiership because they have experience, they know how to win it. Angithi manifika la nhleli la kuma panel izinto nizikhulumayo. How many times has Pirates won it? No, you look at Sundowns, they've won it 8 times. They're experienced in winning it. Sharp, they'll win it because of experience. How many times have they won the CAF Champions League? Do they have the experience to win the CAF Champions League? Do they have the experience to win a final CAF Champions League? No. They always fold makufika final. Nazithi the final zakhala baba, they fold. Kuba ne pressure. Ronwen Williams benza ama mistake angasile. Uyabona ukuthi bayathuka bayatatazela when they have to play a final CAF Champions League. So if we are saying experience wins you games, then at this point unfortunately experience doesn't favor Mamelodi Sundowns. The only experience they have is reaching a final and say expire because sebaku final. They don't have experience of winning a final. So the big question here is, are they going to win a CAF Champions League? I need to know. Abana experience. The Orlando Pirates has experience finishing number 2. That's why they've been doing it for so many, consecutively for the past 4-5 seasons. That's what we are saying, Angit. So if Mamelodi Sundowns doesn't win a CAF Champions League and they win the league, there's nothing special Miguel Cardoso would have done. But if they don't win the CAF Champions League and also they don't win the league, Miguel Cardoso is going to go down as one of the worst coaches Mamelodi Sundowns has ever had since their golden era. So, mangabe sifuna ukagiwa lezinto lezi debate lezinto lezi mayibe fair. I don't even think Kaizer Chiefs will finish number 3. Angithi sikhuluma ngeexperience manje. Which player ku Kaizer Chiefs has experience yokuqeda number 3 in the league? Abomdudu Shabalala bazabo number 8 nabo number 9. Abomfundo Vilakazi bazabo number 8 nabo number 9 lezansi le. So it means the Kaizer Chiefs ngeke iziphele ku number 3. So asiyeke ukudebate izinto ezingasile bafethu. When it's the time, it's the time. Iteam makumele win izowina. Ayikho lento leyo ukuthi laba ngeke ba winner because laba in. So ayikho lento leyo bafethu. athi sifunda ama-comment wenu and othukanayo namhlanje siyamkhipha. Uthukanayo namhlanje siyamkhipha. Sikhuluma ngebholo la, asithukani, asibi personal. Ningazoba personal masikhuluma ngebholo. Sikhuluma ngebholo, it's a game of opinions, a game that ngicela ungangistitch Brian. Please, ngicela ungastitch. If you wanna talk, join siyenze panel. Please don't stitch, please. Ikhansele lento leyo zamkuyenza. If you wanna talk asikhulumeni leyo zamkuyenza le. Plus awuna ne-internet la ukhona mfethu. How do I cancel this thing? Oh bandla aningisizeni tu angazi ngiaccept kanjani lento le. Mina ngithi ufuna ukujoin ipanel si discuss kanti ufuna ama split what. Hey. But now how do I stop this thing, bro? Do you know? I don't know how I accepted this, eh? And anali internet motwa thing. Yeah. Bafethu. Tango's thank you, Cereal's breakfast. It's ready for you to eat. Nyaivala. Biggest talking point, Mamelodi Sundowns won't win the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates may have handed over the league to Mamelodi Sundowns. And if Pirates fails to win this league, it's not because of the players, it's not because of us supporters, it's not because of the technical team, the directors, the chairman, it's because of Coach Abdeslam Owadu and using the wrong players and not knowing how to make the right substitutions at the right time. Kaizer Chiefs is a useless team still. They win useless games. Ayikho into ebalekile abayenzayo, ayikho into different abayenzayo. All they did ukuthi baqinise bafase bakhaba ama-player we-Pirates. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Sifundisa abanye ukuthi ivalwa kanje show. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.